Have you ever wondered what justice really looks like? When everything gets complicated by health, law, and the human heart? On August 5th, 2025, Tennessee carried out one of its most controversial executions to date. Byron Black, a 69-year-old inmate, was put to death at Riverbend Maximum Security Institution in Nashville. He'd been on death row for over 3 decades, convicted of the brutal 1989 triple murder of his girlfriend, Angela Clay, and her 2 young daughters, LaToya and Lakeisha. Black always claimed he was innocent, but the state saw it differently. But this execution was about more than guilt or innocence. It became a national debate over humanity, the law, and what it means to punish. Why? Because Byron Black wasn't just another inmate. He was frail, in a wheelchair, living with dementia, brain damage, kidney failure, and congestive heart failure, and there was something else. He had a cardioverter defibrillator, a device surgically implanted in his chest to prevent deadly heart rhythms. His lawyers argued that executing him with the device still active could trigger agonizing shocks, making his death unconstitutional, cruel and unusual punishment, plain and simple. They fought to have it deactivated before his execution. In July 2023, a lower court agreed, but then Tennessee's Supreme Court overturned that decision, saying the judge didn't have the authority. The state insisted the device wouldn't shock him, or that he wouldn't feel it if it did. The U.S. Supreme Court, they stayed out of it. So Byron Black walked or was wheeled into his execution with that device still inside him. 7 media witnesses reported he seemed to groan in pain. Some even heard him say, "It's hurting so bad." Was it the lethal drugs? Was it the device? No one knows yet. His lawyers plan to check the device's data during the autopsy. For Angela Clay's family, it was the closure they'd waited over 30 years to see. Her sister, Lynette Bell, said Byron Black never apologized, never admitted guilt. For them, justice was finally done. But for Black's defense lawyer, this was a tragedy. A gentle, fragile, intellectually disabled man, put to death in a way that might have crossed the line into torture. Capital punishment is still legal in 27 U.S. states and federally. Byron Black's execution was the 28th in the country this year, with more on the calendar. So, what do you think? Did Tennessee go too far, or was justice finally served? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories that challenge what you think you know.